So fam, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So guys, I took out my 1 week old locks. I started my locks last 2 weeks with 2 stranded twists. I took it out. Ask me the reason why I took it out. During the retightening, like when I was trying to interlock the roots, I noticed that the locks were too much and I couldn't handle it. So, and since I'm going to be the one maintaining my locks, I know that retightening it is going to be very hectic for me because the locks were very small, micro locks. So I decided to take them out. So I just finished taking it out today. Today is the 22nd or so. 22nd of February. So I took it out and I'm going to be installing another starter locks, and I'll still interlock the roots, but this time around I'm going to increase the size because I'm the one taking care of my locks. I'm the one that's going to be retightening it, so I have to make sure the size is big enough for me to work with, not too big, not too small, but reasonably low for me to work with, and the numbers will be manageable because I don't want to do what I will do and I will not be able to manage it in the future. So come along with me on this journey. I just finished taking out that starter lock. I'm going to wash this hair and refresh it and then install back the new lock. So stay tuned, go anywhere, subscribe, turn on notification, leave this video a thumbs up and leave me a constructive comment. You're hearing sound in the background, that's because Prosper is somewhere around disturbing, so bear with us. Disclaimer, guys, I'm not a professional, but getting your parts right when you are installing your starter locks is very, very important, because whichever way you part your hair, your 2-strand twist is how it's going to look like when it's growing up. So if you watch, you can see that I'm working with the triangle part pattern because I want my hair to be on top of each other. Most people work with square part pattern, which is the one that's very rampant. But I noticed that when the hair is being packed up, there's a lot of scalp showing. And being somebody that has a very scanty hair and fine hair, my hair is soft, I wanted something that will cover up spaces in my scalp. I don't want to see too much scalp when my locks starts maturing. That is why I went with this triangle part pattern, because it covers the scalp, like it falls on each other. So, and I'm making sure that my part is very, very sharp and straight, so that when I retighten, everything will look very, very okay. So far, this is the final look of my micro locks. I started with 2-strand twists. I had to install. In the course of the video, you must have understood what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to be spraying some water on it. This water, we're going to spray some water on it, and that will be all. And then I'll be adding my oil to my scalp. And this is it. I want to use it, particularly those last spots. So this is what we have, the final look. Final install.